The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2017 through 2023 Mercedes-Benz E-Class Wagon with the factory installed flush side rail. We've just installed the Thule Wingbar Evo flush rail base rack system. That's made of the 53-inch long wing bar load bars. Silver shown here, black is also available. The flush rail foot pack and vehicle specific fitting kit 186017. Locks are available as a separate product. If you feel like you need security, you can add a set of those. But overall, you get a 165-pound carrying capacity between the two crossbars, and crossbars can be placed up to 57 inches center to center. So a great rack for all sorts of different gear like bikes, kayaks, and cargo, and much more. So this is just a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. And so that's going to be it for this one. Like always, thanks for watching.